In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Calendar events to Google Calendar. First, let's open the settings on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Settings app, which looks like a gear icon, on your home screen. Tapping on it will bring you into a menu filled with various options to customize your device. This is an important first step because it is where you control all the essential features of your device. You will see options related to your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, notifications, and many other settings. By starting here, you set the stage for syncing your calendars correctly. Next, tap on Apps, then navigate to Calendar and select Calendar Accounts. This pathway allows you to manage all the accounts linked to your Calendar app. You will notice a list of accounts currently set up on your device. This step is crucial because it enables you to add your Google account, which is necessary for syncing. You want to ensure all your calendar events are organized and easily accessible. Once you reach this section, you will be ready to link your Google account seamlessly. Now tap on Add Account and then select Google. This action prompts your device to open a new screen where you will enter your Google account credentials. You may be asked to log in or verify your identity. This step is essential because it connects your Apple Calendar with your Google Calendar, enabling smooth synchronization. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to confirm your identity. Once you complete this step, you will be one step closer to having all your calendars in one place. After signing into your Google account, you will see a list of options to manage your account settings. Look for the option to turn on calendars. This toggle will allow your device to sync calendar events between Apple and Google. It is important to enable this feature to ensure that your new events will be saved to Google Calendar. Once you activate it, you'll notice that your Apple Calendar and Google Calendar begin to work in harmony. Now go back to Settings, then navigate to Apps, and select Calendar once again. After that, find the option for Default Calendar. This is where you can choose which calendar will be used by default for new events created on your Apple device. Selecting the right calendar is crucial as it determines where your new events will be saved. When you select your Google Calendar, it means every new event you create will automatically sync with Google Calendar. This streamlining saves you time and ensures no events are missed. Finally, select your Google Calendar from the list provided. This confirms that your Apple Calendar will now save new events directly to your selected Google Calendar. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that the sync is set up correctly. This step is vital because it establishes the link between the two calendars, ensuring continuity in your scheduling. New events you create in Apple Calendar will now be saved to your selected Google Calendar and sync with Google Calendar. However, keep in mind that any existing iCloud events are not automatically moved. This means you may need to manually transfer any important events if needed. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated your Apple Calendar with Google Calendar, allowing for a more efficient way of managing your schedule. Enjoy the convenience of having all your events in one place.